We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change the drum, and I'm working with an HP LaserJet Pro M118dw. So first thing first, this printer takes a 32A for a drum. That is the only size for the drum. So you want to lift this hatch up. And you do need to pull your toner out first in order to get your drum out. So right here is two symbols. The triangle is the drum, the circle is the toner. So the circle one is the one you want to pull out. Just set that to the side. Then go ahead and grab your drum. This is it. So you get your new drum and then you would just stick it back in on the triangle part right here. And then you would take your toner, stick it in the circle part, and once you hear both of them click, then they're both installed correctly. You shut your hatch, and then your printer should start configuring. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.